In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or archive a bank account, credit card, etc. in Xero. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing and why. Deleting permanently removes an account from your chart of accounts, and you'll only be able to do this if the account has never been used in a transaction. Archiving is the safer alternative when you need the account out of day-to-day use, but want to keep its history for reporting. Make sure you have the right user permissions, confirm that any bank feeds are stopped, and consider downloading any statements or reports you might need later. Start in your Xero dashboard and head to the accounting menu. From there, open the chart of accounts. This is the central list of every account your organization uses, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other asset and liability accounts. If your list is long, use the search or filters to quickly find the specific account you want to remove. Once you've located the account, select the checkbox beside it. Selecting the checkbox tells Xero which account you're managing. Take a second to double check you've picked the correct one, especially if you have multiple accounts with similar names. A good habit is to verify the account code and type as well, so you don't accidentally remove an active or required account. With the account selected, choose Delete. Xero will only allow deletion if the account has no transactions, no opening balance, and isn't referenced by things like tracking categories, repeating invoices, or default settings. If the delete option appears but is grayed out, that's a sign the account is still in use somewhere. In that case, you can review and clear those references or opt to archive the account instead to keep the historical data intact. When you click delete, Xero will display a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully and click OK to confirm. This step prevents accidental removals and gives you one last chance to back out if you've selected the wrong account. After confirming, the account will be removed from the chart of accounts and will no longer appear in dropdowns when coding transactions. If you find that deletion isn't possible because the account has history, remember that archiving is designed for exactly that situation. It removes the account from everyday use while preserving your records for audits and financial reporting. As a final tip, review your reports after the change to ensure everything still balances as expected, and consider documenting why the account was removed for your internal records. That's it. You've successfully managed your account list in Xero with confidence.